I'm going to take this board and bring this board over, okay? And I have a pencil. And what's inside a pencil? We often call it a pencil lead, but it's not really lead.
Graphite.
Graphite. And actually I have a rock right there. Claire, go ahead and pull that rock over. Okay, and let's go ahead and we can set that rock right here. And Madeline, I'm going to ask you to pull this thing over. This is a little device. It's just like the energy ball we had before. If you go ahead and touch both of those things, it lights up because you're a conductor. And now we've made a little bit of a circuit. Touch. I want you to take this one, Claire. Madeline, I want you to take it. I want you to touch it to the rock. And let's see if the rock is a conductor. Go ahead and see. Yes! Yeah. And so it turns out graphite is an electric conductor. And this is just really a chunk of like pure graphite.
So would that mean pencil lead would be conductive?
Would it mean pencil lead is conductive? What do you say we do an experiment to find out?
Yeah.
I got a pencil.
Yes.
And what I want to do is I want to sketch out a really, really fat line. Okay? So Madeline, go ahead and sketch out a really, really fat line. And I want it to be fat, and I want that lots of graphite on the paper. Okay, let's test it. Now I want you to touch your washer to one side. You touch your washer to the other side. I'll hold up the ball and see what happens.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So you actually, we drew an electric circuit. We drew it on the paper. And you have a really, really fat line. Think a skinny line would work?
Maybe not as much, because there would be less graphite.
Less graphite. Should we try it and see?
Yeah. Yes.
Go ahead and, Claire, it's your chance. Go ahead and sketch us a skinny line. Let's see what happens. Okay. And go ahead and take that washer and put it on this side. Claire, you put yours on the other side, or Madeline, put yours on the other side. Nope. It's got to be chubby. Back to the chubby one. Let's see if it works. And now we're getting a circuit that's closed. And so we're getting electricity conduction through the graphite, which is kind of cool. So we just drew an electric circuit, and all the charges are moving inside there. Now, if you looked at that, what actually happens as it works is the graphite actually warms up a little bit.
Yeah.
Because there's some energy that goes into the graphite. And it's that energy, which is the point that we want to talk about now, because the whole point for making electric circuits is energy.